Hi, this is Harsha.
Hi, this is Faisal. Today, in this video, we will be talking about how to set up a cloud kitchen business in UAE.
Are you passionate about cooking? Is your friends and family members always appreciate you, whatever you're cooking? Then this is the right time to give identity to your skills and passion with minimum cost. Let's spread your food and taste all over UAE.
Now you must be thinking how to do it. So don't worry. Today, we came up with the solution of cloud kitchen, which is highly in demand in UAE, those who want to start a restaurant business in UAE.
Now, what is Cloud Kitchen? Cloud Kitchen is a virtual restaurant or a ghost kitchen which does not allow dining facility. They only offer takeaway and delivery options. Cloud Kitchen accepts orders through online platforms such as mobile app, website, third-party platform and hotline numbers. It's a low risk, low investment yet high profit model. Please make a note. No dining facility, only takeaway and deliveries.
Important things to know about cloud kitchen. Number one, location and property. You can operate cloud kitchen business with a minimum space of 250 to 300 square feet, which will bring down the cost significantly. Tap-based location, which is nearby to offices and residential areas. Number two, license. You should have a valid license before leasing any space in cloud kitchen. Number three, you do not require approval from Dubai Municipality as all the approvals are already been taken by cloud kitchen.
Number 4, kitchen equipment. Kitchen equipment basically depend upon the type of cuisine you're serving. However, all this equipment like microwave, refrigerator, knife, cutlery are basic thing which is required to run a cloud kitchen, and most of the cloud kitchen provide all these things. Number 5, staff. You can start a cloud kitchen business with small team as there is no dining facility, so you can start a cloud kitchen business with minimum staff of 2 to 3 people. So
Now the question is how to do it.
To know more about the license process and detail,
Contact us at below mentioned details.
Thank you.